Wow, that was great! At least I assume it was. It's all just noise to me. And now, we reached out to the good people at Stuff Mart to give away free big screen TVs to our entire studio audience! Unfortunately, they declined. But we did spring for a prize for one of you, so check under your seats to see if you're the lucky winner.
Oh man, nothing. Fuck this.
I found this crummy lamp. You can use it to look for the prize.
I think the lamp is the prize, Knuckles.
I won! Hey, everybody! Check out my sweet lamp.
A lamp? Really? I guess the rest of the prize budget went to my ex-wife's lawyer. That wasn't a joke.
So, where you guys want to take this lamp party next?
Actually, Knuckles, I'm a little tired. I want to head home.
Yeah, me too. I haven't slept in 28 days.
Home, huh? A home would be the perfect place to plug in my new floor lamp. Where can I find one of those?
I couldn't help but overhear your predicament. I just happen to be an unlicensed real estate agent. I could find your dream house. For a nominal fee, of course.
What do you think? I was born yesterday? Because if so, this is a great belated birthday gift.
Breathtaking, isn't it?
There's a hole in the ceiling.
We call that a sunroof.
But what if it rains?
Instant waterfall! You like nature, right?
That's what it says in my character description. We'll take it. Do you accept bottle caps and broken seashells as payment?
Ew. I mean, good news! You've just been pre-qualified for a line of credit. Just need you to initial here, and sign on the line here, and again here, and in triplicate here, and we're done. As soon as you sign over here, and initial here, and here. Congratulations! Let me give you your keys. You just need to jimmy the lock a bit.
Home sweet home. Now, time to get my lotto. Maybe it takes a while to warm up.
We got your distress signal. What's wrong?
My lamp isn't working.
Once you pay the electric bill, this lamp will work just fine. Though, truthfully, this place probably looks better with the lights off.
Bills, eh? How am I supposed to pay those? I'm here to apply for a job. I have a real passion for libraries. And all berries, for that matter.
Actually, it's pronounced library.
No, I'm pretty sure you're wrong.
Shall we consult with the dictionary?
Oh, I can't read.
People buy things. I need someone to box those things. Can you handle putting stuff in boxes?
Sounds pretty complicated. Just have to crush these eggs.
Who did this?
It was me. I'll clean it up.
Don't you dare! Such verisimilitude. It's so outside the box. We could use a creative type like you at my ad agency. Come work for me.
I'm in. I could never work at a place like this. Your store is a mess, sir. Hello. I'm here for the business.
What's the vagrant in?
Gaza, Pierre, meet Knuckles, our new creative executive.
Creative executive. But I have his briefcase stripped to chicken fingers.
He's exploring new ways to package, carry, and consume breaded chicken product. I don't see you revolutionizing the chicken finger industry.
Knuckles, you just missed the most epic Eggman battle.
It was the perfect blend of new minions and classic favorites from years past. Easily the most action-packed battle we've ever had. And you missed it. That's what you get for following Knuckles around.
Oh, man. No, I'm a working echidna now. I've got a 9-to-5 desk job. And anyone who would rather watch that than an epic battle can come with me.
Knuckles, excellent job on the meat pellet account. You'll notice a bonus on your paycheck.
But I did also work on the meat pellet account.
Great job delegating, Knuckles.
Knuckles?
not what the fans say.
I'd hate to have to foreclose on this house and any lamps therein.
No! I'll pay! I promise! Just don't hurt the lamp!
Next week, there better be a lot more, or else.
How am I gonna get more money?
Welcome, new employees named here to Matt Burger, where the customer is always... Well, that's gotta be a misprint. Let's get something straight right now, Greenhorn. I'm junior shift manager around here, and that means you do my bidding. Now mop up what I hope is just a chinky milkshake.
Knuckles, you look awful. Like you were run over by the ugly truck. I think what Styx is trying to say is you can't keep working 2 full-time jobs. You gotta quit one of them. No, what I was trying to say is the guy who drives the ugly truck should lose his license.
I guess I could leave Madburger.
I knew you could quit if you put your mind to it.
The work we did today is gonna really make a difference in convincing people to buy stuff they don't want to need. How about we all go out and celebrate?
Actually, I have other plans. The real ones, not fake ones that I'm making up. See you guys tomorrow.
Just try and stop me, you spidey blue squirrel!
Knuckles, good. You're off work.
Oh, right. Off work. Sure. Oh, no! It knocked me over this way!
1 minute late, that's coming out of your pay.
Welcome to Madburger. Ah!
So, you decided to join us after all.
Yeah. Here, I saved you a seat. Wow. Look at that sunrise. I'm ready to take your order now.
Thanks, Knuckles. I thought I was a goner. You know, in times like these, you really start to gain perspective of what's important.
Yeah, sounds life-changing. Gotta go.
Why are you mopping? Are you focus testing a new mop product on the most disgusting floor imaginable?
Yes?
Brilliant! Report your findings to me tomorrow. But for now, join us. And where are our french fries?
Huh? Here you go, sir. Now, excuse me. I have to go help out in that battle.
What the? Can I at least have some ketchup?
Take that, you egg-shaped fiend!
Oh, did you just attack Gunther?
Did you just knock over a display of cups? Oh yeah, and assault a customer, I guess.
Oops, sorry.
You're fired!
I thought you said you were going to quit one of your jobs.
And I thought you said I was going to quit one of my jobs. The old knuckles switcheroo right back at you.
Why didn't you just tell us that you were being strong-armed by Barker?
Because of the non-disclosure clause in the contract he signed, of which he is now in violation.
Let me see that. These terms are ridiculous. Banana Ganza, Rufflecopter, Dingle Flaps. Also, the details of this contract are quite unfavorable to Knuckles.
Hey, a deal's a deal.
Oh, yeah? Well, let me make you a deal, bozo. I'm gonna be watching you. People think I'm the cute one, the girly one. Oh, sweet little adorable Amy Rose. Wonder what kind of cake she's baking today. I blend in, buddy, but I carry a big hammer, and I never forget. Whoa, Amy, take it easy. Do you them, and I eat them for breakfast, even when I already ate breakfast and brunch. So do not push me, and don't mess with my friends!
Fine! You're out of your contract. Just keep that pink nut job away from me!
Well, you're free and clear. Sorry you can't keep the house.
Well, that's okay. I like being a nomad. I just needed somewhere to keep my lamp.
Well, if that's all you want, why don't you just keep it in my workshop? You can come visit it anytime you like.
Good night, lamp.
What did we do?